Well, we're back. Thank you guys for joining me for another one of my YouTube videos. I've been trying to actually do more here and there, but it's just been hard. But today I'm really excited because I get to finally show you guys what EBC Brakes actually sent me. I've actually been running EBC Brakes for a very long time. I think I've probably had about 3 sets of the BlueStuffs. Been a big fan. Been following the company for a very long time, which it seems like forever now. Probably about, I don't know, like 9 years maybe. Anyways, they actually sent me some stuff, which I'm super stoked on. They did send me some stuff a couple years back. Love the products. Still very happy with it, but they actually sent me some more stuff and even some goodies. So I'm gonna open this up right now. I guess I could have opened it up the other way. I don't know why. Ooh, okay. So first, EBC stickers. I did promise them I'll run them on my car, so sooner or later I'll have a few EBC stickers on my car. Very excited with that. Some little guys. Maybe I'll put them on my skateboard. All right. Ooh. All right. This is what I'll actually be running on my car. It's so funny. It's just like 3 huge letters. Everyone can see it. Marketing. Next, got a medium t-shirt. I'll open that up in a second. A white t-shirt, which is an XL, so hey, my dad can rock it at the track. And a medium. Next, I got 2 hats, EBC hats. Do I look okay? Feels good. Oh yeah. 2 hats, keychain, some keychains, or sorry, lanyards, and some brakes. So these right here, let me put this. So these right here, we were going back and forth, and I was trying to figure out what would be the best brake pad for my car. I like to do a bit of spirited driving, and once I get the car back, I'm gonna want to track it again. So I talked about it. We were like, hey, what should we do? What brakes should I use? So I've been running EBC BlueStuffs for a very long time, front and rear. But they actually sent me a set of the RPX. So this is more of a track focused pad. It literally says for track use only, and I'm gonna use this on the street just because I want to be loud and obnoxious. I mean, honestly, I don't know how badly they squeak or if they squeak, but eventually we'll figure that out. For the rears, I got the BlueStuff. So this is gonna help my car stop very well. I love these brakes. For the t-shirts, so they sent me 2 of the same. So I'm just gonna open one of them. Okay, first off, very nice quality. The printing on it is very good. This shirt is very nice. Next, my rotors. All right, and for my rotors, I just got a nice pair of slotted. I ran these before, brand new. They do come in black, and then once you start bedding them in, they'll start turning silver. Basically the black coating is so that they don't have to put oil and so they don't rust. And so that's why they're black. They look awesome, especially when they are brand new on the car. I'm super stoked on it. So again, thank you so much, EBC. They aren't sponsoring this video, but they're sponsoring me, so I guess they're sponsoring this video. But anyways, like I said, thank you so much, EBC, for everything. Anyways, take care. See you again later.